This is the Leica Disto d510, and as you can see, the screen is flashing. Sometimes it powers on and you can't turn it off, and I'm going to show you how to repair it. I got this kit from Aliexpress for 30 or 40 Aussie dollar. You need to replace this. This is the buttons and ribbon cable. In the kit they give you all the bits here for changing it. There's some, you have to take this sticker off here, and we've got these torque screws. There's more inside here. So yeah, let's do that. This is the old one which I took out, the new one is in. You just have to pry it up around here, around the bottom. Don't pry up here, otherwise you'll get this on the screen. So yeah, just plug it all back together now. Alright, have it back together now. Let's give it a test. Yep, it's working. Yeah, working perfectly. Just have to put this sticker back on here. That sticker goes back on there somewhere. That's it.